IKEA in Exeter. It's an Ecodisc. Door close button does work like that. This is the entrance lift. Capacity is 38 persons, 3,000 kilos. Year made 2017. We're at 1. Back down to G.
Going down. Ground floor.
And this is the up escalator from the ground floor up to the first floor. It's a cone escalator. There's no down escalator. This is another lift at IKEA in Exeter. Another Ecodisc. Capacity is 36 persons, 3,000 kilos. Year made 2017. This might be the only lift up to floor 2. I don't know. This is going down in the other lift.
Going down.
Door close button does work like that. That's a wonky button. Capacity is 38 persons, 3,000 kilos, built in 2017. This one is the south lift and the other lift is the north lift. And that's it. And this is the exit lifts at IKEA in Exeter. It's another Ecodisc. Capacity 66 persons, 5,000 kilos, built in 2017. Separate core stations, so core station for this lift and the core station for that lift. And there it goes, and that's it.